It's hot, it's dry. It seems very unfriendly time of the year to try and propagate yourself. So what's the evolutionary advantage to flowering this time of the year?
Well, I believe it's because there are bees out there that are really hungry and they can't find anything. The lupins aren't there, the beautiful penstemons aren't there, there's nothing there for them to feed on. So they're going to feed on my blooms, no matter if they think they're pretty or not. And they're not red either to draw them in, so it's really important for me. And I think that I have seen many bees on the blooms of Baccharises, and I think it's important.
That's true. Yeah.
And isn't this a different type of a Baccharis right here?
This is where we get into trouble with a gradation between broom Baccharis and Coyote Bush.
There you go. So this is a combination?
My wife says they hybridize a lot.
That's
I took a class where they taught that
that's what I've been told too.
Because I thought this was Coyote Bush, but it's not because the leaves aren't big enough.
They're a little bit more than you should expect on a broom Baccharis.
That's what I would say, but not as big as you would see on a lot of Coyote
Bush, right?
Yeah.
So I think it's true. They probably do hybridize. Okay. And that whole thing,
Look like it.
they sure, because you can see walking down the trail, you'll see a pure broom Baccharis. Then you'll see something, I guess it's broom Baccharis, but it looks a little different. And then further down you go, oh, that's a Coyote Bush. And you kind of wonder, are they just hybridizing as you're, a few feet apart? They start to look different.
It's like the oak trees. I've been out in I've been out with the scientists, they're out there and they're going, oh yeah, scrub oak, black oak, blah, blah. What's that one? I don't know. And they're all going, well, it's got part of, I don't know. It's a hybrid. It's called hybrid.
And the funny thing about oak is they don't all hybridize with each other. They only hybridize within specific groups.
Really?
The live oaks hybridize with the live oaks.
So I was out at Vulcan Mountain yesterday, and there were these scrub oaks. Except when you looked at them, the acorns were a different shape, the leaf color was different, and you got the impression that looks a lot more like an Engelmann oak.
Oh yeah.
And it turns out that scrub oak and Engelmann oak are two that will hybridize.
I didn't know that. Interesting.
But you won't find a coast live oak, I think, hybridizing with a scrub oak.
Or an Engelmann.
Or an Engelmann.
Got it.
So they're these combinations that can occur.
Interesting.
And when you see them, you just go, I have no, is that
hybrid.
really an Engelmann or is that something else?
They just go, hybrid.
So we cheat. We say, oh, it's probably a hybrid.
Yeah,